Hi there, I'm sure by now you have completed the first free lesson. In this course, you'll be learning to code step by step. You don't need a prior knowledge on coding or programming. You might be wondering what you stand to get if you take this course. 1. You learn to code easily on your mobile phone. You don't need to install any software. You don't need a computer, not necessarily. 2. This is your chance to get a 21st century skill, a computer skill. And being a coder gives you upper hand in the workforce in the future. Getting jobs in coding pays really well, and you can start earning in dollars and work remotely. In addition, we will not just be coding for fun. Our ultimate goal by the end of this course is to equip you with the skills to develop a fully functional app, an app that works. By the end of this course, we will be able to write a complete code that brings an app to life. This app serves as your personal ChatGPT companion, and just like ChatGPT, you can ask Naruto any question here, then you get an answer. By the end of the course, you get a certificate that shows your experience and the work that you have done. So get ready and join us in this exciting coding journey.